Let's go see some animals.
Like, oh, that's kind of what's going on.
Hey guys! Is that tasty?
Show the rectangular pieces.
Hi!
Can't scratch your back like they can now, so knowing isn't it?
Hi!
Is it blue?
It's just long.
Oh, there it is.
Aww.
No, we don't do our. Oh,
You're so fluffy.
yeah.
Yeah. I love the pattern. Oh yeah.
I think they are.
They look really soft. Are they really soft? Yeah.
They like armpit scratches. So the red rats were always a little more standoffish than the black and whites. I don't know if he's still here. So the lemur, huge stud bug size.
Oh, hello.
Crack up. That's for balance. They're not free hand flying. So they can put one more here. And then we're gonna see the black and white lemurs in the borders. Adorable, but when people would say that they wanted them as pets, I was like, well, try and find someone with one and then smell their poop and try and clean up after for a day and then you'll rethink your decision.
Hi, friends.
They're good play. Well, I mean, they're not but they'll like hop down and they'll want to talk.
So they're not like sister or anything, right?
This is the other equipment. They come back, you know, go off to somebody's door.
Wow. Such a killer.
Accredited zoos do to help endangered species these days.
Imagine if the boss wasn't here. How
No, I mean it's that's a dangerous animal, right?
I've only sketched them actually.
Okay, well, I think and she's like, it was an eye close up and somebody took your own.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, they're really fun. I've taken a lot of photographs of them. So,
kitty.
It's
They're so cute.
This is the newest exhibit. What I'm excited to see again. So that one is taking for over 40 years.
Oh, just gonna lay down.
They lay down so properly. It's adorable. It's funny because I grew up with them. But they're very they actually you put clothes like this, no foliage or nothing.
That's beautiful. Look
Their
at that
biggest
thing.
threat is pet trade, of course. Because they're cute.
Cuteness.
We'll try and take them as pets. Not a great
Your main downfall. You're too cute.
Yeah. I mean, they're substantial. And I.
That's beautiful. That's a beautiful
Like
dog.
a crescent partridge or something.
Do they whistle?
They do. See this area from here, so like you wanted to see the catalog. I know it's not. Well, zebra. Of course, adjacent. Oh, the shark is new. We used to have a shark.
Huh.
That's pretty cool. Jackpot. Oh, hummingbird.
Oh yeah. I saw that when we walked in.
Oh my lord.
How did you not know that?
Yeah, I was surprised.